What do we mean when we call something a living fossil? It's an animal or a plant species that's really different from any others because all the species it's closely related to have gone extinct. A living fossil species represents the last survivors of a very old and ancient clan. One famous example is the coelacanth, a lobe-finned fish that used to be common from way back as far as 400 million years ago, right up until the late Cretaceous, around 90 million years ago, when it made a tasty snack for giant fish-eating dinosaurs like the Spinosaurus. Everybody thought that they had gone extinct along with the dinosaurs. That is until 1938, when a fishing boat pulled one up from deep in the ocean off the coast of South Africa. Another living fossil with a mysterious history is Ginkgo biloba, also known as the maidenhair tree. These plants have been around for 270 million years, looking almost exactly the same as they do now. And they used to be found all over the planet. However, ginkgo started to mysteriously disappear from most continents around 5 million years ago. They might even have gone extinct were it not for cultivation by Chinese monks for traditional medicine. Ginkgo trees are incredibly tough. They have special insect-proof wood that makes them resistant to pests, and a single ginkgo tree can live for over 2,000 years. In fact, these trees were some of the only living things to survive the nuclear bombing of Hiroshima in 1945. So let's all cheer for living fossils, survivors against all odds.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.